Do you see any more? Caroline, I think over there.
What?
On the other side. Go look over there.
They're gonna leave, Mom.
Oh, you have some right there?
Mom, you get that duckling. No, they're gonna leave.
There's a...
I see it.
Oh, Caroline, on the other side of duckling was one.
Got it.
Is he inside or is he on the edge?
Right there on the edge.
I see. Let's see if he lights up.
It's really fun to do a firefly catch when you do it. Watch me.
Come on, light up, buddy.
Light up, buddy. I'll show him his butt. Sign up, sign up, sign up. Mom, how can I do it?
You got two?
Inside him.
Okay, let's see if he lights up.
I can't do it. Don't let me get any. Duck into the picture. Come on,
Catch them fireflies. June 2012.
put up.
Duck, are they going to light up?
Mom, take video.
I am.
I'm going to do my firefly dance.
You have a firefly dance?
Come on, do it over.
No.
Mom, firefly! Look.
Okay, I'm trying to get these to light up.
Mom, I'm going to do it. Watch. Bye. Oh, Mom. Come on.
No, I want to see the fireflies light up, Kara.
Show his tushy.
You caught it? You caught it in the lid? Put it in the jar.
Look it.
Oh, I just saw it light up. That's awesome.
Oh my gosh. Both of them are together. They left.
Oh, there it goes up there.
Mom, face me. Mom, look at me. Mom. Banana. Firefly dance. Firefly dance. Firefly dance. Mom. Banana. Firefly dance. Yeah.
There's one by the car I just saw.
Okay.
Hi, Max.
This is our dog. She'll scare her.
She'll try to eat them, probably.
There's a lot.
Run right over you.
What are you doing, Odd?
We found 3.
She's picking flowers.
Let's go catch it.
Did you get it?
Got 2. I can't get the kid.
You know, there's only one thing missing from this video.
I think I can do it.
What?
The ridiculousness of your outfit.
Show it. Show it.
The fires, light curtains.
Oh, yeah.
More.
Woo!
Right there. Here it is. Good. Close. Yes.
This I've never seen Maggie do in her life.
I think I can get it.
What is she doing?
Taking a dump on the side.
Really? Like she's a city dog.
Yeah. What happened to you, Maggie?
I can't. They might be escaping. If you find one, let me know.
Oh, there's one over there.
See, I knew if I did this, she would do
Hey, you have one on your...
it. Carrie, not so loud.
There it is.
Maggie,
That's on a
Maggie, do you
tray.
love your Audrey?
I
Say hi to
guys.
Audrey.
Declan, I found one.
Say hi to your Declan. Come on, Audrey. The hand is not